the cash crew, now they just make money for media. Now they use they make money for media. Any waiter, if you don't see any money, Buna Zeya way, and I was war. Then they looking like Ozo. Not because they not they watch your video. They go lose your news, nonsense. They go leave you. They will go to person, go to call person. See, go give you one or sunu, give you one or sunu. Go temena. Don't be juju. Ebo. Also, that's what we're going to be busy. So could you have Uni mama, Unata would try of Veno, it like the Carino year. Easy one call you say one call for a live video yesterday. You jump out like say Jesus Christ one call for your live video. Like say Jesus Christ one call talk for your live video. Make it reach 2K. Like seriously. And at the end of the day, she fool you. If I be you, the shame and disgrace we wear you yesterday, I'm not going to post easy picture again. I'm not going to post easy picture again. The shame and disgrace, the biggest shame and disgrace which is sound you yesterday. It was so horrible. In the place of all your fancy disgrace at the end of the day, it's not going to come. You didn't play voice record. Voice record will play for you. He don't even give you the right. He never will tell you to make you play the voice record come on for live video. He just play the voice record for you privately. But you still move. You want to use that to showcase. I want to play the audio. You see they come on. I want to play the audio. At the end of the day, when you play the audio, what's come on for his life? You know if you can't talk for life now. You see, no someone or someone, my brother. When we cannot tell you, you're talking about my own children. You understand? When you have me, Kevin or Momo, women, why? You're talking about the woman that have your own child. Omonoguzi is your boy. E Kevin, ye Kevin ogui. Ye Kevin ogui. Do men no give me. Ye Kevin ye yagui. The mother. Ye Kevin ogia mafia. Dete Sharon mafia. Obie Sharon gaguizi. Oh, go Sharon. You understand? Where oh, you when we're being Nigeria, no go you we need you wear more as you not work for one. Don't know you gonna you jog way. Where you need more money. Common sense, you know common. Also, what go on? Emani ne mo age we na gozo. People that have sex, you age we na gozo. I go call Bobby no bebeje. O ko boyo we, o gie ye we zo we. You understand? Omonoguye we are one of your we atawe omonogwe easy. Easy your boy. You understand? Easy guye wa. Akoko momo, omomo ya akoko miroba. Yoba we akpa mabo pake. Akoko momo akoko miroba. Easy guye wa. Oyiro daye. Il y a fianda. Il y a moment ready. Eta wina. Away ye na ya mi hia. Away ra na ya mi hia. Nware. Uga nware tuga o. Emi no mage baba sagbada. Emi no mage baba si sokoto. Upogbon. Down here, easy, do. Awa go mo gun ate bogbe. You understand now? Awu mi na ga like yami na re ne ga ade wa no. Easy. Do magbora, useno gbowa. You down here now? O salo bo na gi mario omoni omo pa kan ni ma bie. Yona usalogwa udazi elika na jamie we ukpomo paka no enwa a ni mari Yona nunda we amwe bogbon wa amuna gbon wa ona kagbe Izzy Omoruyi e video na ngweno ka botota wa dere mi no sunu ke pori ade nyanga no sunu ke pori ade here ya blame well ke na be blame no ya wa we dere omo ne blame na ya gwe oli wo nyanga na no sunu na ya fe omo no si oli wo nyanga na ga e Sharon no pari awa Yo si li yo nyanga na hunda we. No pa owo na de ba ni e. Wa gbiwi ya kaka bolu edu hunda we. Iri edu e nya ka bo gugun de ne. Ah da ho. Ala wo na ga video na. E shaba ke mu ye gboto kwere na wo si oyi idole gai. E shaba ke ya wa ya de you know area wa ya de na wo si oyi ni doge le gai. Le va si va easy ya ro we so ni ya. No he ni bu ko sa ni Sharon. Ya se go wa ni Sharon de. Obi easy ru we. No ya modia ni zi. No ya mi easy no ya modia ni Sharon. No ya do wa. Runda e Sharon ma nwi na we bu. Wala ya go ma nwi na we bu. O lo ko ti do wa. You understand? We Sharon ya mi go no ya do wa we ya he. E ya nwu zini ya ro ma we bo. What only my echo no taram. Ya negizi. Buwagu yesi nyomoba. Devinu wagu je no nyamo si nyomoba kowe kowe. I only we ya ukpo give omun we abia. Only we ya ukpo give omun we nya bia. Ana ri mi enya we to wa wo we kuma kugbe ya mwendo kbe no ra gbonoro wa mu e koria venu wa be mu no kunoro ria akeme wo easy venu wa mu Sharon agboria wana kwezi Sharon against the mother. The same thing you have started doing the same thing to Okpamen. Kwa yo Okpamen kine hu de no ya agwane kwa yo Okpamen kine negiri ogo ni jene eni kao onwe no yoku no kokude iyare no yare ga bie ari hu yo mo ya fe no ebie no hu sie mu aye. No we ni emi mamori amoga mogeria oga egbe mane we ni Jesu oga egbe de mane no we ni emu mamori anu da we ni benefit ni a benefit oga egbe de mane iye Sharon be Sharon easy bu wana on wa mu Okpamen wana wa mu agbon ya no wana manipulate against ye he de getting wa nya geni bu we mo biye wana onu wa mu Okpamen wa mu agbon ya Okpamen na ni ni mam o hin mambo ne no wa yekowa o hin no ma yin legbe no ku ori lo ne no ku won ku ade sister ni pe ne webu ibi ajo wa da we hu da we ni akemi ya zire ogwe na aje no dere e we no ho no de iyo mo easy wa dami ho ikmi abokpa ma wesi ikmi abokpa e ma wesi ikmi abokpa na awe ya bo si won di o ga gba bi sene e bogino iye Sharon no ma ti e boga ti oki e do wa awu e gbagbagbe kemi no concern oyin o kin o gbe ne iye Sharon egbe Sharon easy egbe Sharon we here Izzy Omoruyi ku we ki buwe egbe Sharon wa here azo se dara mezuwa wo si wo wa na kege mu fon wa de na ku mi wo se ya ri ku no bie de kina na me fon te do we o si o ri we ri ku no bie eri wa be do kina na me o keke be jiro yana la ana me o keke be jiro edere na ma ihe me ya Izzy we look here ona awu keke be jiro because ona awu gedigbe ikmi abokpa ma we se be di kata asin eru wa be do kina bokpe na ya we great musician actor MC ya environment ya la emewebu ega no ekia gbina yekia na asiri yekia was mobie no nyamo gyomo no bie ma wu to fiya keri no i concern no wu egbo tabi na we Okpamen regbe no de ke decision ba Sharon e ba fu po ni ma so egbe oti on ni kire no po ni ma si egbe ato if no concern Sharon o ma keke no si kin ya to OKPAMEN no be je, except the what ye, except the what you, the not na be admo. Iye Sharon wa to tanu ada me ho. OKPAMEN no be je, except the what Sharon, we Sharon na wa mo wagbo. E wa ko komo ni Iye Sharon. E we ni yo easy, or ya ko komo ni Iye Sharon. Wa bege o. No ma le borum no mo bi me. No ma le borum no mo bi me. E Sharon ma easy o ma bi o ma ho. Nye hia na ya mo fi di bottle no mo e. O dazi. Ami e deke care workers. When you come UK. E mo ba. Uzonga mi woki. Silimu guga. Iye easy o. Ya know what akba. Then I want now you working on social media na. Or what your way. Or when we getting away. Then I want now we let her live here na. Or when we getting away. Or your way I have. Or you go your account. Hello? I greet you.
The month of August is the month in the last year where we have been or take the more money in Nigeria just give money or money na go.
Okay, now yeah. Oh, now you're Sharon ya place eh.
Okay, now you're just Sharon ya place yes. Una go na be o ma e no mo je o bia ni no mo na go mo pi ara no.
Okay.
No be ya ta la bi go re.
No bi no wo bi no jagun ya. Okay, I bomb. Okay, I hear fresh girl. Okay, so I bomb before.
Second one, they give me a bomb before.
Okay, let's see, my what? I call her Shivena. That's you get me one. I swear to God. Oh, I've born before, you know. Yeah, that way bejo. We can use it, no. Not to kumbo na Nigeria use. Every time they call out with Nigeria use now. Oh God, let me drink water. That's it. If you do well, I don't know. So, as we are saying, please share this video. Let's go there. Iye Sharon, iye Izzy. Ekinuwa wo wedo, Emma. No vie deri. No vie oderi. Eti mari no sunu, just where maybe me as far as we root. My major aim is to see how we can raise funds for Sharon. You understand? Not to come out and on social media and do a guy around baby. No. Emmanuel ma go ase, you have your bring that the young kete dia on ya correct bring. So for that, I'm not after that. My only aim is to make sure where we do the needful. You understand? But the situation whereby or where is not misbehaving. Emma, Iye Sharon, easy. Imi akaka boy le wana we yin yawe. To clear your daughter hands from narration, names from narration. La wo madam, now you saw why yin. Kamu we no mo give you. You understand? No mo give you no answer. No who or deri or give no sunu la ho. You understand? Because I no ba I do ask you si le we social media do haro you we social omade yo. E me social media get as be. You understand? Every night I wo every at our live video ni. You understand? This is what I say. No, if you keep it with laugh. Okay, that's a very troublemaker. Troublemaker wife, why marry? You understand? Yeah. Easy. I'm gonna cut. Was it going when I grew? My pin account of yeah, Sharon, you know. I contribute in the Sharon. Account in pin down. That's the major account. Now you contribute in the Sharon. While I will, I just boy you were. What's up, Saga? Saga is not the major thing here now. All we need now in how to raise funds to take Sharon back to Nigeria. Now, you see a friend, Festina Peter, a video of Festina Peter Onude, or shocking. Festina Peter show where is a true friend, or shocking. If Festina Peter Ladian, via I can't pin down, now Festina Peter pin down the platform plus the good fund me. Now Laho, if you all over the world, now support TV Sharon. That's to know a good friend. He didn't say anything much than cry for people to support Sharon and the children. But Izzy, no we Uze no do the back of the series much than on one. Udeli a Dorothy no one of Master Izzy. We are here was a made no one of Master Izzy. Because Izzy is the engine room of all their talking. Nizima yita or Senian yita. And the mother know. Yeah. Because of Guero Wawa. You know all these things. I was thinking you guys were once a friend. But so unfortunately where you guys have declared yourself to be enemy. Which is very bad. Easy. Comport your daughter to order. Call her to order. You understand? If you have a zoboy, a ramo vunia me lao. If a bacon or weekend. If you bring your time away, but you easy. Ekinuwa wedu. Ekinuwa wedu. Ekinuwa wedu. No yek bacon Sharon Paria wana. Easy. You guys should better deviate from it. You guys should better deviate from me because why Oyini Agwankana? Oyini Agwankana. Do one guy friend to Sharon. That was when she was alive. Now she's dead. And Sharon belongs to the family now. Everything that concerns Sharon belongs to the family as custom and traditions demand. Easy. If you hear with here, it's very, very important that Benin should know this. Ayamoku ne tamu geri bioy. Ayamoku tamu geri bioy. It's very, very important. Anything not concerning a Sharon belongs to the family. And you and your daughter should stay away from Sharon. When I mean, what do I do? OKPAMEN when I'm way area. Do what I money the agwese. Idogwero. I'm not doing no coin all day. I'm not coin all day. If a mature grown up man like that cannot have his words of his own, cannot use his own mentality to reason as a man, he's still a boy. Oh, how you worry? Oh, you worry, woman. And I'm also using this video to tell the mother, if OKPAMEN come to disturb and cause nuisance, say police in there. Yes. Because right now, with what we heard of gather, a guy near Tiabijawa. The moment the plan, yes, now, recently now, anything. When Nia manipulated OKPAMEN or Akbijawa. Or get the next plan of easy. So the general public should be aware of this. A mega soon that is Sharon or bro be easy. They are the problem of this family now. As I said there, Sharon na you was osi. Ona le yawezi. Unknowing that you people are household enemy. Unknowing that you people are household enemy. Wa we semebo wa returning yagian ni peace making na aro. Ni peace making na aro. How can you imagine? OKPAMEN took a phone. On a 13 years not Dion. No re Nigeria. No koke Sharon, no koke nyawe Sharon. No call Monica. Ni Monica ha mi yo Sharon. Ige Sharon, ige Izzy. Ok yak ba go Sharon. Can you just imagine? The rate of manipulation. When you manipulated Uyo Hani said, the brother have to take a phone and call the family back in Nigeria. You call a presenter don't broadcast it, don't say it's easy. Okay, about Sharon. They didn't want me guess Uyo Hani. Sharon Shani shorty boya. Oyo ya we shorty. Oyo mo collateral boya. Easy or turn away. What will kill family? Emi be no gbina ye falari wala do my granot ari sawe abule amabega guys are so me khara kwa he alo fianza yo fianza yo okay. Please. Back you know. Me I get to talk to. If you hear me, okay, Wale. Let's do. Wow. Ma on est pour dire ouais nous deux. On a les moyens de voir aussi sur social media. And remove one of our social streets of a Highland. Ye ma o. E from come on ye ma o. From come on ye ma o. Andrew, no what am I not you? Andrew no zua. No wo wo aya. Andrew no wo bie. Wo bo. Wa diaga, ya ga no ya se Dublin. Mami wa dia street we na we live video gan. Wa ye gbo ya gime. Italy no wo kickback. Eluzu of Italy we all the road of Italy. Piacenza, the street of Piacenza, all the street of Piacenza at the end of the day. Na gbe pe area the road Dublin. You just see Dublin one your gbana o mighty mo wa. We tell the street yan lo ye ko omo. You are still squadding with somebody that is squadding with somebody in the land of Dublin. O kan ku e for wa. O kan gbe wo la video wa. Uzati aso en go da. Kunda suma call me fun. Una pa, na gbegbo. Na there is deco the house of the war. Am I they don't see you as a relevant somebody. No else want to see the deco to where. Where you put by woro. But no book by woro of war. I na bulufa. I can't yo. Now, you Sharon. Costa. Là yo zo. Là talk bay. You Sharon. Ba wo we. We Sharon. Izzy. You Sharon kwa re. Izzy. Ba wo we. Wa mala ke Sharon. Attends. Et bien, mon Dieu, You guys have shown to the world that you guys does not love Sharon. You here were pretending. Now, my people agree to now. But I'm not listen. A life in a man Izzy. A Sharon, iye ma koke. OKPAMEN iye ma koke. Otizian, abi ye no kwa o kokian. Izian na are obo hozo igo. Mu go gian o wa ya pa o yan. After we yan at a very tender age. Okuna dia webu. Oma bi no gabe. Ona decide what me value sin. Ni egwale go yakokian. Now the family of Iye Sharon, Iye magba ore money si. Iye sack money wa. Usaka money, Iye sack money wa. Oni e mono mi yo ti esisa. Sharon we OKPAMEN. E money sakan ko ware. DH pikin. Iye ri se ma, Izian e bunyare. Iye ne feeling yi ne Iziani. Iye ne feeling yi ni Iziani. They don't have feelings for their mother. That's the major reason why you see those women, those children go outside to go and choose mothers. You understand? Izian was trying to make sure he built them, like take them close to herself as a children, so that she can stand as play the motherly role for them. Because these children has been poisoned by that mentality where on Nigerian, the major the only article is no cooking one. Also, now we shall in Nigeria, I've been 1 year in Nigeria. Because he enjoyed that family back home more than the mother here. Now, living here, he decided to choose a friend, choose a parents. You understand? Than their mother. Believe in them, confide in them. Never knew they are enemies. They are not true friends. Or easy vije. Or why easy vije. Now, I'm here. You're not sending anybody. If you like, write even ahead for your platform. You must send. But what I still stand on, I will not come out to saga you. That's the truth. You get why? I'm not going to saga you because you go in there. Only the argue with her. That's why I just look here, I just laugh. You want to not let me talk with because I just look at the laugh. Because I can't saga you. I don't know how you go feel. But the truth still remains the same. Do the needful. A market can you know your time. My can matter in the live video do attach that video with Mogi on a more reasonable sense. If you were really a true friend, do not say no or say Sharon not gonna make be. Since the sorry you're supposed to be in Sharon's house with the mother and the children. That's how to know a true friend. Oh, Sharon, no, Sharon defend the now. It's going to tell what's easy. Is your government by Ogomo? Is it government? Is your government by Ogomo? What's easy? I know what I do. Is your government by? He will not be looking at you as his own representative of his own daughter. Sharon will not be looking at Izzy as a representative of her own daughter. But because you have a bad mindset, you and your mother have another plan. You took the child home to your house. And since then, you refuse to step your foot in the child's house. Pretending as if you're the mom for house. Your hand is tapped for Facebook. Blah, 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 blah. Anybody enter live video, you can read there with your fake account. I was in Yoga. Yoga na miwosi. Wakoyo. Iye Sharon. Easy. Ti wela wa. Ikawe video de na one anyway. Now Sharon Izzy. A mate Sharon na. All way way. I did a video for you. But you go come analyze. You know all way way look here. Anybody that call you recording ya because you have a record you. Didn't I told you? I did that video. Because in your benodi. One man go or Mozo, I believe on Mozo, on Mozo Nita, or is written. Last life will come to pass. I mean, if I need to be nedging when I do sooner. Nedja, he buy to you get it now. We hear Dorothy apology, no look with the apology. I told you, in a way, easy return on mortgage, no nyamo. Oh God. Easy. Now a return among you no nyamo. The next you hear to post your social media, Frank Victor. Mama Sharon, tell you say if man say need the may come collect and not they hold their grandchildren. I cannot drag my princess with anybody. You guys should leave me alone. Why are you not dragging it now? You wrote it, it's still on your page. So why are you not dragging it now? Why are you not manipulating OKPAMEN? Now you guys have taken OKPAMEN to your side to fight the mother. Can you just you see how the kind of person gonna be? Person will get picking no not collect the two. Waka mi enoko wana gbewa. Wa bi ode yimi ne. Obi e wo he see. Obi enoko be na we drag God ke buwa ni. Oni ma ke no ri wa the body wa bon. Oni ma ke no we ri pa ma ke no yi. OKPAMEN ma ke no yi. Agero pa ya ke no yi awe ga clear. Veni mata na ya ko kianania. Ye ko use soft mind little way mata na go mai like e. Wa hangi saga mata na mai ya saga. Gene ya mata na saga ba. Ya so an zo lu wala de ba. Veni wa ya gbe Sharon e wa do time. E ka lock up. Ni ya say no get back ka face video na. E no get na so aso. Na so call so via WhatsApp. Ona call na via WhatsApp. When you na bo do data we e no get Sharon. E no get Sharon. E na ge na ge. O was working my me about no. If you are back of the steady, I hear everything steady. I hear everything. I don't get to call. I don't call me cry. And the cost they call me see and beg me and not be no get kiss around. Me I don't like you, my quarter so not be no get kiss around. I say good man. Come. When I respect myself. If na no want this matter, drag all of una. Make una respect myself. When I bang for this shadow but dead body. There you matter na ya sin waya. Ya say be easy. Ya drag waya. Ma go come waka waya nwinyi. Wa nwinyi. Wa ye gbe matanari. E mate Sharon. Wa ye gbe Sharon. Wa shift. Wa shijoko wa sikodawo. Anything that you know Sharon is owing you, tell the family, let the family pay you guys off. And take your hand out of Sharon family. When I come my list to me, I said I want to jaka. You saw boy I mean wa. What a baby a dead but now oh in your wa. Ah web bon we agbe. Me man no your wa way. Easy. Iman on wabu way. I will be Sharon. Iman no Sharon wawe. Imagine working baby nurse. Imagine working daycare. No bao viviere. Also no so yama. Momo ge no nyamo. Momo ge o. Momo ge no nyamo. Momo ge. Easy momo ge no nyamo. Momo ge o. Momoge na nyamo momoge. Ogogo. I like him boy. What am I saying about you? Okay. I don't want her. Aba quiet. I don't want to tell. I'm going to be Ozenu do wowa or you take bear. I'm going to serious boss. I see movie or movable mover or shakeable shaker. A WhatsApp group. We have said a Dorothy. A WhatsApp group we have the Waji. Easy. Were you not in the WhatsApp group? Were you not in the WhatsApp group? Not be you remove yourself. Not be you exit yourself from the WhatsApp group. Exit where? Where God found me last year. Now donate me. What was your question? Who the one can give the money to? The money I am going now. Amunwe. Now I'm going when I'm one of your bad no ya agba Sharon you go your neck boy. Easy when winner. When winner we didn't Italian waji. This where he move whether me we muna. E we wa rock here. We mommy's girl here. E we wa mommy's girl if you get copy for Nigeria. You get for this one. I will go na on copy in Nigeria muna obu. Wala. Hey, o seke lo do. No winner. E wa gi ego mo awon yi winner. E gbagba oro mo. Wo igbagba oro mo. Wo gbagba oro mo. Baby nurse. Eddie. I want to outa. If me to me very reason, me when the all my instinct is telling me that Sharon must have a document that Izzy signed as her next of kin to Sharon's kids. Big boy, show where Izzy me right. No, you do back it or do not. Big boy, where he get my the family. Now authorize now your money. Na ngove wine do ya fe ko na come yi so na kayo obo e bi ga wuyan a mi bi gege gbe ke no da bi ke na ko ya no na mo wa na munu because that is you guys plan. You understand? That is the Sharon is send document with we move gba go mo bi akpa re we vie be la dia na Mali. Naramali, vie bella dian, Iyabo Ojo. Vie bella dian, because he might want to ask on a stretch about. Easy. That will go. You saw by you. My little chair bonwell. Your son, my day on here, I mean, at your bonwell. Or say, my little chair body, why do I do? Go as a sister. As a mother. You understand? That way I want in every nonsense. There is always a sense. Pick the sense inside my nonsense. Make use of one. That way there are as a kind of more. The hero. Now you have need me. My sister, use your brain on. Because this saga, now dead body the grand soul. Now dead body na the grand soul. That's the reason why I'm taking it cool with everybody. When I love him on yourself, it a mini saga, or Emma, Obimena, and signature man, Emma, day, or say now soon saga. La woo, you solo boy, go one, because I bow, you will have ye. I bow, you will have ye. You understand? Nwa ame na gwala wo iye Sharon Izzy awo yo sa wo ina go egun Izzy Omoruyi nwa ame na gwala wo o che na do video na gwe na iye do plead with you to talk to your daughter so that there will be peace. O ma mo gbe no ya de gbe Sharon we ni gbe Sharon we ni awon ya we yen gbe Sharon o ka gbo Sharon taking a very Sharon yi. Any right name would my serio as custom and traditions demand. So when a very if it's a friend, it should act it to them, it should support the family. But if it's not, it should stay out of it. It should stay a hell out of it. Go one. Who da home aro tieni kanaba. You understand? Obiego ari obiego da. La wo easy. Go easy go on. Azosi there is see. You understand? Gwegwan. Iwe do gwan ya na gbo be ya wa down your home e do wa down ho. E wo we zem o mure awu menwa o mozo o we suwen. I can't hear you na. Na ri goji. Me man no problem is you. Easy o ma support account na ri ladian. Izzy even one year avec nous here supporter et Sharon. Mais marié na problem Izzy wo. Izzy o na bere Sharon ye ewebu ni eme kina wo ya egbe ni ewe gegegugu e bo ga fere le awon your best friend oge aga ma wa mati even Izzy go lo ni e yan so obo. We gbijwe wa mi make na o bere ya ni jwe. Nu here omodion. Sisu go pa bie is better. Dan ayari yo ka gbebe e bere yosi. Awete de gbo ye no me kina mi e. Azen gbo ye no me kina mi e, no me kina fun ko. You understand? Easy. Go out. Because I like him go hen. You understand? Am I what part 1 or 2? This is just the beginning. The second time will not be easy for Israelites. It will not be easy for Israelites to cross the Red Sea. Because I had 2 chokes alobwa and you people yesterday was 7. La wo very kai sin. Ik member by your boss one day or agbabi sene bogino. Ege looking about. This one finger ege looking about. You guys should do the needful. Imagine Oimi on anything a talk of the world. Oimi no one can you talk me we don't hear say on anything ya go here social media. Undizi. Unde plan easy me. Wala wo you saw why you wa. Wa gino wu wa ge ko gba mesa won. No ka we no ka. Wa gun so ata ni bu easy gbe wa do gugun go wegun sisi ka go egun we video e ma swe ni we you we ma go egun o we na ka go egun ne e ka di budi ne no look here no la wadia e ke gbenegbe no la wadia amu ebobo ma mu na gbo na ka gbe no la wadia e ma oni ye you we na go egun la wo you solo boy yen we ti o we la wa do man ne no hiawo concerning a dead body disease we no can do diane I bere ni don't ya van don't ya talos the old word we no ya go with the old word you should stay calm omo no go e we no dey gino bi boy don't me be this is sign yi we your hian gba we no present the family if possible post it on social media so that everybody will not know where nobody will talk about you and the baby again. I want money belong to you. I want yes or money. It's not yours. You understand? Maybe agreements in Wawa Udon or paraventure talk to a to ogu momo zoro gauge. I mean, zoro gauge yati. Zoro gauge yati. Wago to go yeko. You guys have an agreement or soon as 2 friends. So if you know money, say it out so that the whole world will not start insulting you, throwing mud to your household. It's very simple. If you only now la wo I'm going video na easy. No watch a video now. And while I hear do no set no ramen go work no be see. Why they can't today when na support easy. Why do how we here? We saga bagbo. Account now is legit. First na Peter available on red, you know there. You understand? So I want more reason no my account no jane Sharon me to say oh easy when she kodo man ko ani me ko sanu we de me na eni we na la won ya to sabe artist okay if first na Peter Ogwan can know there. You guys watch the video. We want Dorothy. Avec one kind Dorothy le mo la. Even Dorothy self, I'll still receive 100,000 from Dorothy fans. You know there. So, voilà. No age, no ari go yo, o baro pagba ye clinical tanu there. Na supporter iye Sharon na mega ti ya Sharon ariwa ari ko ni bun ire WhatsApp go na no wa ki e WhatsApp go ogi no wa ki Yes, e ben yan go wagun. Watch that video now. E WhatsApp group ade ye kinu wa ki de Sharon. Wa ya support e Sharon we good for me. After wa ke good for me wona ke WhatsApp group wa vi yan no. No do soli so yan no ye. E do to do ya agun. E WhatsApp group gossip no wa ki. Gay. They tell WhatsApp group wa ya gossip nonsense. Vio di monicalobolobo ya live video. O ya cause distraction. Wa on wa do sungu. Wa de WhatsApp group ni. Wa on wa do sungu ni ba boy ngolo bi gole luwa. Wa look here, wa respected buwa. Wa respected buwa. Ave frustration, depression women or wa respected buwa. Wa de WhatsApp group ni. E wa go go. Because one and now WhatsApp group, why mu di Monica or do ya live video? Why your WhatsApp group ni? Why mu di Monica or do ya live video? Si we can respect ourselves, we don't want any distraction again. All we need is to see her. Right, man? Okay. Let me pick a corner. Hello? Okay, let me speak out. Let's speak out.
Okay. A contribution and maybe like he made a comment. Okay, I greet everybody, almost.
Yeah.
He made a comment easy note there. I want to reply why you not to support the GoFundMe. Well, that's because the money is not going to the children. We have sent the money to the children. So, even before I'm not sending money to the children, I'm not money the children. In Jamuna, you know, it's not the same thing. It's easy. When I contribute to when we really contribute to when I carry after the burial or your no viere or as we so can be store then we can really go there so far you
God bless you. God bless you.
What we later say because the one is not going they are not going to give the children, you are not supporting. Please my people. And it's what's your enemy you like babe? Is this the real reality? You people were best friends. You were doing a people. Oh my God, that beer Sharon and they were right.
Okay.
When they say you hate, you cannot love me and hate my mother. You cannot hate my mother and love me because we go together. If I tell you, now we shall go, I'm not you know this one, my friend around here. When it comes to my mother, I don't really know how I appreciate it. But when something special like that, you are not the problem. Our friendship should be a boundary. There should be a boundary. Easy. Your friendship with Sharon, okay, in a boundary, you are stepping above your boundary. You can't just decide the name. You can't just decide the 1 year away. If a shower and down, we go near them, we go near the power, we go every day, or job and money share. Because of that, to support. Shower is like, we know, woman in your house, BBA. Well, that is a big thing to us as the children, like they don't share as bon. We discuss it when the Mao say, Mamma, you provoke me. I don't know what you're you can't just go up here and making all these things because for the man is enough.
Exactly.
You should be serving hates on the mother because the first way a shadow judging my ball, a shadow judging my ball, or wishing him, Fogisha, and you were wishing him, my yard, you were. Oh, you can't hear me, see your second year. You are just a friend. I'm not here anywhere. How they do it in there. Easy. There should be boundary, please. If this message is there inside the well, you go there quick there, who stop us. Oh my God, you really hate Sharon's mother. And as well, you hate Sharon. Anything can go away. You know what? Even around, Umanga yari tone family or your peace in heaven. Your see in heaven is Wọ́n bí rí Bible. Àwọn èèyàn ìgbó àti òbí àgbo rẹ̀ who are in between a telephone there and not a favor in the family you are blocking it. What are you prepared to gain? So Izzy, please do the right thing. Also, go out here or there you everywhere. Who give you more? Or the big I thought of about no where to be. I'm going to follow for local to you. Now we're washing your mirror. And it's in your ear. I see your water. Please do the right thing.
Thank you very much.
We beg you. Thank you so much.
I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Wow. Yes, thanks a lot, my beautiful sister or brother will send me this receipts. What do I go? Ya can't me. You want to go? Yo, they put money. See, they put money. Master, what are they put money? What are they put money? When I leave Izzy. See, no, what's me? I don't know the truth. Izzy, when they raise that money, when they open that account, good fund me. Izzy asked a question. Izzy was added to the WhatsApp group of that good fund me. Izzy asked a question. Who this money? Who get this money? Because Izzy was thinking the money should go straight to him. After they don't get the money, they'll come go give her. Because she the fee saying that she take care of the children. So the money have to come to her. The money has to go to her. Say the money that's okay. Mona tell us that they'll pack the money, go give. The money was insisting, it's okay. Maybe they go give the money to Izzy. Until the woman said no. They're not going to give the money to Izzy. Not be Izzy. It's not be the family of Sharon. It's just a friend. The money has to go to the mother. Because the children are going to be with the mother. And the children will take care of the mother. Now you go take care of the children. The mother will take care of the children. So now Izzy exit herself from the WhatsApp group. Started to manipulate other friends. They started manipulating other friends, including Dorothy. That was how the manipulation starts. Including in brother OKPAMEN. They manipulate OKPAMEN too. Against the mother. You understand? As we speak now, OKPAMEN, they need the Chris now. I don't know whether they tell you they are saying on the now. Iman, or you need to OKPAMEN. OKPAMEN, you will not go, man. You respect ye. Ah, ya ne unu OKPAMEN ya gbe han ye o. Na ya gbe han ye nya. OKPAMEN have no regard for the mother. Omo na mo adie webo. E mo na ma plaster. E mo na me respect ni jinya. So no bana ma be mo no wa. Omo no ma ne gbe. Ije no nya gbe biwere ko. E wa ti manipulate we against you no biwere la ko. You are a useless man. Oh, we have for that matter. When I remember we have a beer. And that's now said, you know. I want to know where they are. And here, you don't know. Which is very bad. What if your own benefit is easy? Where be Sharon? What in Sharon or say Wahim? Who they do you all this? Who they give you that mind? The anyway what they say. So all this friendship, all this play when I play, all this dance, all this gaga when I do all those TikTok when I they do. So it's just not just he's a low oh baba away oh I would that they call Gaderi. So no what you call ni Sharon making that they give you this day. You see, Sharon when I go stay one place. I hear Sharon they watch live video yesterday. I hear Sharon they watch live video. They say I think I can't Sharon they say they watch. Hey, watch live video. After they watch the video finish, he go cemetery. I mean, he go mortuary where they put her. Oh God. Yesterday, Monica, you know 50 pesos. Monica, me so eh. Oh yeah, you want to do all that. Oh, where Sharon was live video. Oh, you like me with the mortuary. Oh, they cemetery, I mean mortuary. Yeah, where you want with that? Oh yeah, where I love you. He's a little boy, that was a little boy. I don't think he passes. I may get out of it, I can't really watch us here. Now, well, tell me if I can't make a blocker. What if I can't reach out of work? Yeah, man. My man. So, Monica will work a live video. What work in there? Saga for them. Okay, I'm going to say. See, For real, let him joke aside. I'm gonna call her talker. Big TV for the social media, I swear. But I think they want, but inside there, so. Well, you sell buy me. I don't say anything when all this guy, all this gig, all this one, this talk here, talk, all this side talk. Oh, ma make any sense for real? Imagine you put one wow. Izzy, you don't understand you. You know, so you just be. Me why we now one can correct people like that. Imagine you know understand that bad so now you just be you. Imagine child, I don't understand you. It was here. This life not balanced. How can you life you now? Not like my azeri. But you're planning you why but my you understand now you beg you. Why you wash looking on mobile? Why you not sorry mobile? I do see the or do you involve police investigation to soon. Over not better be a tigger. I will make Nigeria with my job. Come back, baby. Why you not looking on mobile? Because the one on the duties, but which is not good now. He get bomb with a good through your snap. Everywhere goes cut out. Make her come up now. Because the way things they go now, Izzy, you are a big suspect towards Sharon's death. Yes. I'm really talking. You are a very big suspect towards Sharon's death. That's why they use how say kindness is there. Don't look here. The baby motonary, the motonary to see nowhere. I bet we are getting money. You do my go Sharon. You think say we are Sharon look by? We are not happy. Or you say that they want to see you cook Sharon, not excuse her. I'm here to call you a video call. Who are calling you a video call? So now what did happen? By phone. Not call for audio, you call for video call. I will block this person. So, Madam Izzy, I just got to beg you. I never want to come across a guy you. Understand? You get why? Man said that because why Sharon? Who are you now? 5 and 6. But understand? Why you like 5 and 6? So, do the needful. Do the needful. If you respect your mother, you also respect other person's mother. Understand? If you respect Sharon, you're supposed to respect Sharon's mother. You play with Sharon, you take Sharon as your sister, as your friend. The person who born Sharon, you don't respect her. What kind of friend are you? What kind of a friend are you? I will not be Sharon. That was in with him. You understand? Clear. The truth is bitter. Somebody has to say it. So my sister, use your brain. And last now you when you wash him, you should not beg you. What you support Sharon? What you support Sharon? I can't hear now. What we go you are talking about bad. You know you pay well. What that collect you go in money now. You understand? So I'm gonna put money for your side. Be the support Sharon. You understand? When they put money, I never see person will put 1 million. The highest pool they don't put enough 200,000. I never see 1 million, never see 500K. I think more they put million now. What they go? Anyone in Nigeria, why you want lock up? Why would I make mind no sunu? No, you're quiet. No, you're not see. No, know what they happen. And you're lock up. But mind no sunu. Now what for now? The man understand the wow. When why you behave now? And if you no fear now. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, I hear you.
Yeah, I want to talk something.
Go ahead.
Yeah, not vessel, but I go like me to apologize because I want to donate. You get one word when you talk yesterday. Where I live in Bonus UK, because on this I'm
No, be careful, color the color. Okay, okay.
So to drop my money, you have to beg apologize.
So what this one?
It was my first time. You received the same 27280 report.
Okay, the day we pay a mortgage over.
I mean, well, if you very well, then that's a PSC report.
Where's it? Oh, it's a name we are. It's a way we are. Oh, my egg, sorry. Sorry. I want police. I agree. Sorry. Oh, I can't buy me in Jesus' name. Go where you apologize. I don't care workers. Oh, I'm care. What I want. Here's a woman on who is a winner. You go look why going to walk in Jesus' name. Matthew me.
So, contribute. So, next time, why are you asking?
Oh, my care workers. What about bless one? I will care workers. Oh, I talk. Oh, I can go. I want to go in Sharon. I like that one. Kami siapa yang nyala ya awalnya yang sama benau, kause ingu waro. Ya ya. Ulo bojoso. Anawe bono isinya giguya. Wesi. Wato. Avec wakasi, wagu. Imago for what? Oh God. So he better provoke what? Wagu, como é que eu mostro mesmo? Aí você vai ver. Aí mo ka kind do atalho man ba wu. Wagu. Why say you almost worry je. E me no mo zo ta wa. É bom, my sister there. Almost worry there wa, no wa. But again you ngome, ime ngome there na so bi na ti apologize. They take bien over like cut to change. E cut to change. Marasta. O wato. Mo ya me ya lero na be kawo kas. Ai kawo kas wa ama abu. Kawo kas di UK. Can you read the country in the kawo kas? In boy kawo kas Germany. Italy, Italian at but that's it. Alright, Allah da wa abi. Wa mi san pe yere. Wa po won. Omo na wa da sponge pa ya bolede. Bolede ni sa. O ni sa no ba yo. La wa abi ti su yo bo. Tango di o han we ke ka. Why really I am Muslim dem buya. Oh women, I guess what I have a gift for you. Then we are my mouth there. Oh, did that go? If you go for surprise birthday. Oh, why you know what Bani said delivery? Or the guess what? Now how? Uye 1,000 euro, 41,000 euro you said the day I pay. Okay, Frank at the eat they eat this anymore. Oh, but I give this one. Now you be. Understand? So no allow. What's up with account now? Very, very important. That's the most important thing. All this saga, bass. It doesn't really call for. You understand? Now what can you let's support her and do the needful. Let's see how we bury her amicably. That doesn't allow. You understand? Only you want to believe it. Man like one have bed now. One already bed you do saga bass. It doesn't call for real. You understand? Also another game was on the mother's a year. Na mo bury Sharon. I bury Sharon. On only any saga me over again. We don't have them. Either you go have a long one or something. So allow a Jacob Budayako or Yankee Sharon. I got donuts in Sharon. What we are seeing again, a we conglomerate, or where as far as from Vito idea to raise fund, raise good for me for Sharon. In one that not go enter, blah 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 blah. If I bought la we where tell you I go on knock. They support the part where we will carry you. Gonna noise maker, empty vessels. Empty drum. Water loss, but we shishi we did no man. Cobble way. A different one. Other way, but only. Or not away. I'm one and I'm not going to enter. We never want to go on. Oh, going away on one not bono. We were giving you what we going now. Wale gono now. Wale gozo numa kan. Wale ge ma mo na waye kwa nije gbe agere na ri ma blow. Obi asawo na ma blow. Wale go bi asawo na ma blow. Oh, walige marriage, no be lie. Walige marriage lo na lili. O ho ni amu amip. 2000 IP, 2000 euro IP. Na ya bo 65. E ma no ri na magede ma ri ba nyari. Marriage no yobu wo diane. What wo yobu wo dia marriage wo wa. Maria marriage wo wa. The day where you no longer do marriage again. You marry an enemy, a disguise of a wife. I don't know marriage way. E ma no jeje marriage wo ti man ti an o ayan man gbiyan. I won ha me. O hin ala marriage wo no gi. I won ha me. I man gwalize no ba. Iziku. No na wala kokko yi. Eni la kire dress gbe. If I don't know how marriage wo. Emmanuel reggae gbana ni dignity ni gbe no mo no ni gbe ni akere ni meji no gbana ni do wan re kun yan ri yan han gbolo kun ba yan ma mi ba gode ize yan ma mi ba gode da woni han ya dagi this was on mu yan ni pe better no mu yan ni semi widow no mu yan ni ani semi single mother agboya won do ni won do odo no do yo odo your husband they working ewi. The men no do you wa. Whether swag my day. A balance if my is 16. When we are me my cabo when ku work is you we mu yo wa. We are me wa va yo kakere wa va gba bi eni gbe. Wa yi na 90 years old woman. Eya me wa bi fe money. At people's age. Wa ye mo ya kama na bi. Wa wala vi ma nya na mo na zin. E mo so ginu to wa. Azuo ala jara bi do agun wa ko mapon iya agugwe na wozuo ina le ewe sili fully ne shawo ya easy ya fully we don't easy fully we hands easy adogun una ogwa ologwo egwe ulade make it to kill at the end of the day. What happened o ma yegun abo post easy be congratulations easy be anything you like easy isagano easy platform we we no hotel hotel by sagari no understand we no hotel platform we wa ma ye we dogun o we a je we dogun we ya collect we mu la wa ade lo de we na gba gan ere arrange we no no egbo platform wa ho ni ake gon platform we make a million we don't want to go we no we government we do me no pay tax go me no pay assets ozo mako. Ige taxpayer aya to kwa wo kan wa gwina the country no waye o government waye what the tax benefits many benefits we me wan me pay assets you pay tax iga me be pa give gas you pay o wa ni meji e dey pay you na just the plea of the market aye go be ya give na so ya so ini I tell you no man easy la wo. Gwizzy Gwan. OKPAMEN no hiaro na endo kara yuwa.
I could prefer to remain quiet for now. Because Sharon CJ mortuary. Really, am I very so for now, I don't like to talk to anybody. Obviously, you might only go anybody one, not only have been in the time. Again, said in the platform, you have to go to Latia.
Oh.
And Sharon and my sister. So I need to respect her. So for now,
that's the biggest shame at the now listen for easy. So I advice way, but you still so low no ben Facebook. No one mass of no one. Easy, no one, no one have live video go the review Sharon or mass of no magon. Or mass of no matter go no ben. No care social media ben. Sylvester Wadiaye, you write a name, you message and you warn them, make you not send your number out. Mama Nora talk, you message Mama Nora, you write Mama Nora, you message her. Monica talk, you message Monica, you write to Monica. Frank Victor talk, you message to Frank, you write to Frank Omozwo. Osamede TV talk, you kept mute. Dorothy talk, you kept mute. Ebony talk, you message Ebony. Who a friend are you? I ask you easy. Hypocrisy. Who do you think you are? Who do you think you are? Who did they deceive you? They deceive yourself. They deceive yourself. Osamede talk, insult Mama Sharon. Insult the hell out of Mama Sharon. You kept quiet, you kept mute, you don't talk. Dorothy talk, insult the hell out of Mama Sharon. You kept quiet, you kept mute, you not talk because the three of you are the same gang. Swear, say the three of you, not the same gang one day. Why, boy? You think say you smart? You don't get sense, man. Your agent will send me they can't talk. They don't pitch the entire house, they made you. Was the law you come and you talk? Even though one won't tell you, tell but all the same, movie every movie again. You think say what was man? My eye no, we just know your lock off. Understand? But inside there so use your brain, me no collect what you do. Don't use your brain, me no collect what because your saga go too hot. If it sets for your head, you all go too sweet. Not be joke. And reality. Feel look like stupidity. Ewo say Sharon no nebu. Or say no go way working. You have shown to the world say where it's also no working. You understand? It ain't any time. So for those of you now who they watch me, who want to support Sharon's, now see the account, they want to support the account. It might only do the saga. Or say na you when I wear walawa. Waila wanya. I beg one walawa. My home. Yeah, I just want to go you whatever. Why we fucking this well? Yeah, you wanna. No be more but you do it meroe. No be more but you do it meroe because this one that body with their side so don't be shy play. When I feel they look and say Sharon na mate. All of my guys like grown and be friend. And when you don't turn the body, not gonna mate again. If easy, gonna die. If death easy, mona buy. Sharon not gonna mate. Sharon not belong to the family. So we gonna remove hand from Sharon matter. Return Sharon Peking to the rightful owner. Momo genonyamo. Don't mo for na beer. Beke you no beer. I want no beer under for eh. Well, are capi. If the capi rejo mila, a capi or pama. Do no more do mila wali ni ayo stroke pama. Ni go away. No harm no be your way. Abe woman wear respect. Maoni mo go done. No stop. Cash done aya. But don't play. Go and do the needful. If I come back with the second, I know will like me. I go to now better style what up. Who you doing about? How many you do? You must see. I don't you what I must so when you get. Now stand up. Now I go. You wearing my house. It was also when you get. Oh, sexy. It's like you know who jaro. Also. IFBO. Yata. Ah, baby, we listen. I don't need to. Why can't I say? Una bye for now.